In this topic, we'll look at more features and functions in the UGW2 tabs and menus, including a customer user's login procedures and menu access. We'll also review functions that are changed or deleted in this version, which will be helpful if you've worked with the previous version of UGW. At the conclusion of this topic, you'll have a good understanding of the following. When you're logged into the UGW2 platform, you can access the online manuals. Follow these steps. In the Customer Information tab, the Upload-Download menu is an easy way to quickly add or download a large number of devices to the system via a CSV file. Customer information registered in each company can be shared with another company on the customer, RDS, or device level. This makes information management much easier. Customer information registered in each company can be moved to another company by following these steps. This page explores the Maintenance Information tab's Log Settings menu. Let's look at some other menus. This page explores the Maintenance Information tab's Log Settings menu. Let's look at some other menus on the System Administration tab. On the Search Options menu, you can select default options to include in searches. The Email Reminders menu enables you to configure notifications for events that are not handled within a default period of time. Manage a customer's user accounts in the User Information menu. The Change Email Address for Notifications menu is where you can change the email address that receives notifications. The Change Password menu enables you to change the user's UGW2 password. This menu manages customer portal user accounts for customers. In the Customer Portal section of the menu, you can use the Display Settings menu to specify which menus and functions are shown to the customer's users. The Information Message menu manages messages displayed on the Service Top page for the company or in the Customer Portal for customers. This will be useful to broadcast a message that's seen whenever users log in to UGW2. You've learned that the system administrator can send registration notification to users either by email or by contacting the user directly with their user ID and temporary password. The first time the user logs in to UGW2, they must set up their account's password. This page explores the user login process for both notification methods. This page presents. You've learned that the system administrator can send registration notification to users either by email or by contacting the user directly with their user ID and temporary password. The first time the user logs in to UGW2, they must set up their account's password. This page explores the user login process for both notification methods. This page presents the user's login experience and differences they'll see in the customer portal from the previous version of UGW. This page presents an overview of functions that have been changed or deleted in UGW2. This is a quick overview of the changes in the CSV files produced by UGW2. This topic introduced many menu options that will help the system administrator manage the customer's environment and use all of UGW2's capabilities. We experienced the user's login process from both notification options and the differences between the customer portal and Service Top, plus other features. You should now have a good understanding of UGW2's capabilities. Be sure to download the PDF print version of this course and have it available as you take the final assessment. All answers to the assessment questions are found in the PDF.